BHEL Tiruchirappalli joined the nation in celebrating Republic Day at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium on January 26th. Mr. A.V. Krishnan, Executive Director, unfurled the national flag amidst a large gathering of employees, their family members and school children. At an impressive march past carried out by our security, fire service, home guard, HRDC, NCC and contingents from our campus schools, Mr. Krishnan took the salute. Delivering the Republic Day address, Executive Director said that the credit for achieving Maharatna status for BHEL goes to employees.
This year is a special year for our own BHEL. It is the Golden Jubilee year and the formation of the great Maharatna. At this juncture, let us remember the great visionaries and stalwarts who laid the foundation for this great company and specifically our unit. Even we say it is a special year historically, we are in one of the toughest phases of business. Power sector has not taken off as expected. Competition has become intense and gone to a different level where our margins have been squeezed. Customers' demands for stiffer delivery and commissioning schedules, order book has been worrying in the last year. We could book orders only to 1/5 of our target and our cash position also is not healthy. This reminds me of a saying from William Jennings Bryan. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. It is not the thing to be waited for, it is a thing to be achieved. Similarly, we are in a situation where we have to choose our destiny. We have the option to wait and watch or to create our own destiny of being the market leader. I hope all of you are with me when I choose the second option of creating our own destiny. In that case, we need to pull up ourselves, bring in more intense, persistent and passionate approach and become more agile in way of working. Darwin once said, it is not the strongest that survives, not the most intelligent that survives, but it is the most adaptable to change who survives. I seek your wholehearted cooperation and support in the following 4 areas. First, cost reduction in all our areas of work, especially the material cost. Second, productivity improvement to reduce cycle time and improve delivery. Third, quality of our products also needs to be kept in mind to match our customer expectations. And last but not the least, the safe working environment where we have laid down our Vision 2015 for zero incident and accident in the unit. I am reminded of the saying, a good shoemaker is not one who makes a great shoe for a small foot. Similarly, we cannot say we are the best unless we are able to match the expectations of the customer and with respect to quality, cost and delivery. As an organization, we have been equipping ourselves to face the challenging business environment. The year 2013 was declared as a year of process improvement and a lot of initiatives have been taken towards cycle time reduction, enhancement of cost competitiveness and technology improvement. As a result of all these things, we were able to bag a few orders, the latest one being the L1 status for North Karanpura. Absorption of supercritical technology has been the greatest achievement of our unit in the last 4 to 5 years. More R&D focus is to be given and is being given on the advanced ultra supercritical and coal gasification. The Welding Research Institute is going out all the way to become world-class entity. We have initiated investments in SSTP for T91 tubes, Unit 2 where we have the clean room for titanium fabrication and some more balancing facility in our boiler shops. New areas of business in the oil and petrochemical sectors are also being identified. All this together with a renewed commitment of all our employees, I am sure that we will be able to weather the storm. I am proud to say that 7 of our employees won the BHEL Excel Awards this year. Also, 4 employees jointly won the Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar this year. In the Quality Circle Convention, all the 20 teams representing BHEL Trichy got the awards. We have been giving back to the society through our corporate social responsibility and sustainable development activities. This year also it was no different. Another differentiator in today's celebration is the modification of the Open Jeep into a battery operated, eco-friendly green, and kudos to the M&S team who have done that. To conclude, let me quote Gandhiji, action expresses priorities. Whether you are a working professional, whether you are a student or a housewife, let our actions express our priorities. Let us make a better world through our actions. Let me remind all the employees once again that bringing our company out of this tough time is our priority now. Let us work in unison towards that.
On behalf of Security Department, we are glad to declare the Best Marching Award of each contingent and the Best Contingent Awards.
As a part of the celebrations, awards and certificates presented for their outstanding contributions in various fields.
Fatal, la bomba, alarma.
இந்திய என்பது என் பேரு, எல்லா மக்களும் என் உறவு, எல்லோர் மொழியும் என் பேச்சு. எங்கள் வேதம், சமத்துவம் எங்கள் கீதம், வருவதை பகிர்ந்து உண்போம், வந்தே மாதரம் என்போம். வந்தே மாதரம், வந்தே மாதரம், வந்தே மாதரம்.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Gangnam Style.